What's up, YouTube? All right, so we're gonna take out this tree right here. Josh, how tall do you think that is?
80.
Okay, so we have a 100-foot tree that we're taking out, and then we got this little cherry tree that we're gonna take out.
It's about 65.
It's about 75 feet.
They're always bigger once you get up there.
Yeah, exactly. So every time we say a number, I just add some. So
if you see right up here, there's an old scar where a limb had fallen off and just didn't heal up well, and it rotted out on the inside.
and this tree has a surprise for us.
And there's some bees up there.
Are you excited to wake up the bees?
I think the chainsaw will do it.
No, I know, but you're the one going to be doing it, not me.
I thought we got bee spray.
I mean, we did.
So they're gonna wake up and then go back to sleep pretty quick.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
I sprayed them yesterday, so hopefully they...
No, I didn't. I just spoke good things over them.
The only way to spray them and it would be effective is bug spray and a lighter.
And now you know why we don't let James make decisions.
Yeah.
It would involve something blowing up or something getting shot or something catching on fire.
Well, as we were setting up the lift, we noticed that the main structural part of the basket that's on there was broken, and if you put any weight on the basket, it's like it falls apart. So we got to take that back to the rental place and get a new one.
But add to our skill.
Well, we changed the basket and we are headed back to the job.
Finally.
Oh yeah.
We only lost like an hour, maybe, right? Something like that. I don't know when we left.
Yeah, we lost a solid hour.
Yeah.
I would rather fight 100 squirrels than 100 bees. We should assess it before we spray them.
This one's got more.
What do you want me to do?
Spray it.
Just in case.
Maybe we should just work our way down. Oh, we're already starting. Wow, okay. Woo! I've never had more anxiety right now. In my
Good.
Bro, that looks like a bee's nest up there too. See that thing? In the neighbor's thing?
That's a squirrel nest.
It could be a bee's nest. Bees! Yeah, I would rather fall from this than get stung with bees. Why? You want to switch spots? No. Stop! Do you want to switch? This is a hostile work environment.
We got a hole you can see all the way through. I don't know if the camera's at the right spot there, but you can see right through it. Come up here, and somebody wrapped like a 3/4 inch bull rope around it, and it completely girdled the tree. The tree grew around it, so gonna get this little guy removed. So
It's 11 o'clock in the morning and we haven't even cut a tree yet. So that lift was giving us problems. It wouldn't move properly, stuff like that. So we're gonna move on to different jobs and hopefully can get some work done.
We had an emergency call. There was a windstorm recently, and so right behind me you can see that a tree tipped over and fell on their house. So we got a little telehandler to come lift it off. It's not too bad. It won't take us too long. It'll probably just be a few hours, but like it's up on the roof and on the second roof and the porch.
And edit.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
Oh, we're video?
Oh, shoot.
It would be good to know, AJ.
King, sometimes he's King James, King Alexander, Kingling.
no Kingling.
Kingling, and you call me Dingling.
Yeah.
I like both.
What are you guys going
Dick
to?
the
The Dingling
Dingling.
Circus. The Dingling Brother Circus.
Hey, Josh is the one that said call me Dick Tracy. So, Ding-a-ling Dick. I'm just saying. This is a family channel.
Oh. So yeah, I like the name Kingling.
Kingling. Yeah, you would. And apparently I'm the type of guy that hauls around a toilet on the back of the truck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
According
No, you don't haul it around. You take it out from underneath your seat.
Oh, gotcha.
No, it's not a toilet. It's a turlet.
I turned it.
It's so unlevel that the door jamb goes like this. It starts like this in the bathroom and then it just goes and like someone.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Wait, what? Wait, where?
At the downtown
The
campus.
church?
Yeah.
Gotta talk to the facilities guy.
You'll have to show me that.
No, yeah, bro. Like
Show me that, 'cause we gotta take care of that.
Someone could literally like look. Like I was peeing and I just looked over and it just goes like this and then just
There's
goes.
just a little kid reaching.
And then
under
there's
the
an
door.
eyeball. You're like,
Bro, I walked in